Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Happy Saturday. So we're outside of Dollar General to do our 5 off of 25 for this morning. I also have a deal for the 5 off of 30 gain. So I'm really excited about that. A lot of those high value gain digital coupons do expire today. So if you're wanting to take advantage of those or do the scenario that I'm doing, you want to make sure you head out today and take advantage of them. So we have some freebies, some money makers, some overage deals. One big tip, make sure if you are doing a deal that gives you overage and that's the only deal you're doing, add something else in with it because they are not allowed to pay you back. So if it's like negative $1 or negative $2, they're not allowed to pay you back or they'll get in trouble. So just make sure that you add something to the transaction. Use that to help lower your out-of-pocket cost on another deal. We're also going to be doing a scenario to get back that $5 coupon that prints at the bottom of the receipt when you spend $15 out of pocket on any P&G products. So let's go inside and take advantage of all these deals. Okay, so we are going to do a gain scenario for $5 off of 30. So the first thing we're going to grab, you have to grab the light green one. See how this one's a little bit darker? You have to grab the original. They are $10. And as you see here, they are attaching to the gain 5 off of 30. There's also a $2 digital. Now I have a $1 digital clipped as well, unfortunately, so that'll be the one to come off. If you don't, make sure you clip the $2 digital, grab these, and let's add this to our transaction. The next item we're gonna grab is the 105 count gain dryer sheets. They are $4.50. Use this $2 digital coupon, which would make these just $2.50. The next item we're gonna grab is this little gain firework. So this is the last one that I'm finding available in the store on an end cap. They're pretty sold out of a lot of the gain products that I'm trying to grab today. I know there's a ton of amazing gain deals, so you may have to check a couple different Dollar Generals so you can do the deals. But this one here is gonna be $3.95. We're gonna use this $2 digital coupon, making this just $1.95. Now we're gonna grab some gain fabric softener. So we're gonna wanna grab this huge one here. It is 90 fluid ounces and they are $7.50. We are gonna use this $4 digital coupon. Now some of these coupons were like exclusive to you coupons, so not every account got them. So double check your account, see what you have. If you do have these, definitely clip them and send them to your card. That'll make this just $3.50. The next item we're gonna grab is gonna be the Swiffer wet mop refills. They have to be gain scented, so that way they will attach to the 5 off of 30 gain digital coupon. These are $4.50. There is an instant savings, but we're just gonna be buying one, and there's only one left anyways. We're gonna be using this 50-cent digital coupon, making these $4. The next item is in the dollar deals section. I was going to grab the $2 gain dryer sheets, but they're completely wiped out of most gain products here. A lot of the items I got were the last ones. So instead what you can do is grab one of these small gain fabric softeners. They are $1. Then you're going to use this $1 off 1 digital coupon, which would make this guy completely free. Now the order you ring up your items is going to be very important again because some of the coupons do attach to multiple items. So we want to make sure that this guy is going to ring up before this guy. Otherwise, the $1 digital will attach to the large one instead of the $4. So I will go over the order with you guys here shortly. They're out of the gain dish soap as well, so I need to switch that up and grab one more item. So let's go grab that now. Okay, so this is everything we're gonna be getting using this 5 off of 30 Dollar General digital coupon. So I had my math wrong. This is actually perfect and it gets us over that $30 mark. You could actually do it without this little gain here, but because I have that coupon clipped, if I don't buy it, the $1 coupon will wind up attaching to this and making my totals a little off. So I can either do this in its own transaction or I may as well just put it in with the gain deal. So the total for everything here is going to be $31.45. Then that 5 off of 30 coupon is going to come off, and this is the order that you want to have them scan your products. So the $1 Tide or $1 gain would be first because there is a $1 digital coupon. Now, as you see, this dollar coupon can attach to this and it can attach to this. So if you don't have this one first, if you did it like this, the dollar coupon would attach to this, nothing will attach to this, and you'll lose $2 in savings. So the order for these is very important. Then we have the $2 digital for this, a $2 digital, but I know my dollar is gonna come off first, but that's okay. $2 digital for this, $4 digital for the large Gain fabric softener, and the 50-cent digital for the Swiffer. So total for everything as far as coupons is gonna be $15.50. So you'll be left to pay $15.95 plus taxes out of pocket. So I know it's a high out of pocket, but they also have this deal going on where when you spend $25 like cash out of pocket, they also have this deal going on when you spend $15 out of pocket after coupons, after everything, you will get back a $5 off coupon. That prints on the bottom of your receipt when you're spending $15 in PG products. Cascade and Gain are all PG products. So our final cost on this is gonna be $15.95 plus tax. I'm gonna pay that cash, then I'm gonna get back that $5 coupon. Now, I'm also gonna put together a 5 off of 25 scenario. We're gonna do that one first in checkout. That way, the 5 off 25 will come off first. This will be our second transaction, so the 5 off of 30 can come off. We're gonna grab this Chic Men's Classic Razor. They are $4.50. We are going to use this $3 digital coupon. If I can get this off, there we go. So final cost for this will be just $1.50. Now we're gonna grab some toothpaste. So this Crest Cavity Protection here, it is the 5.7 ounce. It is just $2. And we're gonna use this $1 off 1 digital coupon that is attaching, making this just $1. Another oral care deal you can grab is gonna be these Oral-B toothbrushes. They are just $2. You're gonna use this $1 off 1 digital coupon, making this item also just $1. And for some hair care deals, we're gonna grab 2 of these Tresemes. So this Dollar General digital coupon is still going on. When you spend $10, you will get $3 off using this digital coupon. So you have to make sure it's clipped and sent to your card. Now, when you're doing a 5 off 25, it has to be $25 after any other Dollar General store coupons. So now our total would have to be $28 or more to make sure both this digital coupon and the 5 off 25 come off. So we're gonna grab 2 of these here. They are $4 each. We also have this $1 off 1 digital coupon. Now, the other item we're gonna grab to complete this deal is gonna be one of these Suave Professionals here. They are $3. That is gonna make our total $11. There is an Ibotta rebate for the Suave as well for $1 cash back. So final numbers on just this little deal alone, we're gonna wind up paying $7 out of pocket. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back, submit to Fetch Rewards. My account has 800 points per Tresemme that we're buying. We're buying 2 of the Tresemme. So that is gonna be $1.60 back. Final cost is gonna be $4.40 for all 3 items, or $1.46 each, which is not a bad deal for some hair care. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code, J24VT. Once you submit your first receipt, you will be getting back an additional 2,750 points. Next item we're gonna grab is gonna be the Tide Simply with Oxy. It is 48 loads, 75 fluid ounces, and they're $6.95. We are gonna use this $2 digital coupon. As you see here, it is attaching to this product, making it just $4.95. So for the 5 off of 25 deal, we are gonna grab 2 of these Dawn. They are 20.6 ounce. They're $3.50, but when you buy 2, then they become 2 for $6. I also have 2 $1 off 1 digital coupons that you see here, that is gonna make this 2 for $4 or just $2 each, which I think is great for Dawn, and I'm totally in love with Dawn lately. The next deal we're gonna do is on a Snuggle oil refill, and I've seen that this $3 coupon is attaching, which would make it free, so I'm gonna give that a shot at the register. If not, we're gonna pay the $3 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making this just $1. This next deal is gonna give us some overage, which is gonna be amazing. So what we're gonna do is grab one of these Dental Life, the large ones. Come on, okay. It is 1.1 ounce and they are $1. They're just not marked here. This $2 paper coupon from the 614 Retail Me Not insert is attaching, giving you $1 overage. Now remember, they're not allowed to actually pay you back. So I'm gonna use this in my 5 off of 25 deal to help lower my out-of-pocket cost. The next deal we're gonna grab is on some CoverGirl Eye. So these right here are just $4. We're gonna grab one of these. We are gonna use the $3 digital coupon, making these just $1. The next deal you can do is on the CoverGirl face right here. It is the blush. They are $5.50. Use this $3 digital coupon, making it just $2.50. Okay, so I'm back in from a second Dollar General. I just really wanted to do the 5 off of 25. Wanted to get that Visine, and the next store I went to had a bunch of the items that the first store didn't. So I want to quickly go over the 5 off of 25. It was the store that I can't videotape in, and the guy was like lurking around again. He saw me take a picture and scan it to make sure that the coupon was attaching, and he like stopped and was like looking at me. I'm like, first thing I did was these little tiny babies here. They are $2 each, as you see in the photo, and the $2 off of 2 digital does attach, making them $2 for 2 or $1 each. This store had the travel size of these, so these are $1.25 each. Then I used this $2.50 off 2 digital coupon. That is part of the deal. When you spend $7 on Dove, you get $2 off instantly. Then I grabbed this one. So this store didn't have the one that the $1.25 digital comes off on. That one is either even tone or like zero deodorant or something like that. But I grabbed this one anyway, if you can see it, there we go. It is $4.85, which put me right over that $7 mark. And we can scan this to fetch rewards. My account shows 1,200? Yeah, 1,200 points when you scan a Dove deodorant. So I will get back 1,200 points on this, which is why I still did the deal, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. Then I wound up getting the Dawn. So when you buy 2 of them, they are 2 for $6. I had 2 separate $1 off 1 digital coupons, so I attached those to these, making the final cost $2 each, which is not bad. I got the Crest Cavity again for $2, used the $1 off digital coupon, and my little baby Visine friend. So these are just $2.50. There is a $1.50 digital coupon attaching. There was also coupons from previous inserts or printables from coupons.com. So a bunch of different ways you can do this deal. Submit it to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it a small moneymaker. I got the Gain Fireworks. They are $3.95. Use the $2 digital coupon. And I got another Oral-B toothbrush. They are $2. Use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. So let's go over my receipt. Okay, so let's go over the receipt. All of the coupons came off, $2 for the Gain. Then we had the Dawn, they're $3.50. Store coupon, 50 cents to make them 2 for $6. And $1 off coupon came off. Did the other $1 come off? Dawn, $1. Yep, and then the other Dawn $1 off coupon is just up here. So then the rest of the deals, I had the Head and Shoulders, $2, 2 off 2 came off. The Dove, $1.25, $2.50 off of 2 came off. Then I had the one that was $4.50. Part of the store discount is the 2 off of 7 instant savings. Then we did the Crest, it's $2, $1 came off, and more of the store coupons. So Final cost was $8.80 plus taxes. Total savings, $20. $20 of savings, which is amazing. And we're gonna get back $1.50 from Ibotta and 1,200 points from Fetch Rewards. So now our final cost, instead of being $8.80, is gonna be like $270. 880 minus 270 is what? 610? Did I do that right? Something like that, but a really great deal for everything we got, and I really just wanted to get some more done. Okay, so we're back in from Dollar General, but I did do 2 transactions. I did the 5 off of 30 gain, and I did a separate transaction because I still wanted to check if the coupons were working, and I want to show you guys my receipt, which is absolutely amazing. So the first transaction I did was the 5 off of 30 gain transaction. So what I did is I got the Gain liquid for $1. $1 came off, making that item completely free. Then I got the Gain dryer sheets, $3.95. This is the store coupon. That's that 5 off of 30. It just comes off like little baby store coupons on all of the items. It breaks it up. Then the $2 coupon came off. I had the Gain fireworks, $3.95, $2 digital, the $10 for the Cascade, the $1 digital, which I knew was gonna come off, but that's okay. Then we got the Gain fabric softener, rang up as $6.95, even though it said $7.50, so that's cool. And $4 digital came off of that. Then the store discount, the Swiffer wet jet, $4.50, 50 cents came off. Then we had the crest cavity, $1 came off. So what I did was I added the crest cavity because I wanted to get that $5 coupon, and your total has to be $15 or more, like actually out of pocket, to get back that coupon. So it is a little bit of a high out of pocket, but we got a ton of amazing products, and we got the $5 coupon. So this is what it looks like. It prints all the way at the bottom, and it is $5 off of a purchase of $5 and a penny or more. So in essence, anything that's $5 and a penny or more, you can go in, get it completely free. So I'm really excited to use that. I will be using that next week at Dollar General. Then the next deal I wanted to do, wanted to try out that Snuggle warmer starter kit that I showed you in store. That was $3. That $3 paper coupon came right off, making that completely free. And that Dentalife, the $1 Dentalife is $1. And that digital or that paper coupon from the inserts scans, no problem, no beeps, no nothing. So that was all I had. It wound up being negative 72 cents. So I told her she was gonna go through with it. I told her, stop, I know you're not allowed to do that. I just added the Tide Simply, the large one. $2 came off, final cost was $3.95 plus taxes. So not a big deal. I still saved $7, which is awesome. And I'm gonna submit it to Ibotta, get back $2 for that oil refill. Now my final cost is just $1.95 plus taxes for 3 items. That is why Dollar General is amazing using those different digital coupons. So the first transaction I did was all digital coupons. So you guys can do that as well if you have those coupons in your folder. Also, you want to make sure you're scanning your items with the app. Sometimes different scents, different variations don't attach to the coupons. Also, where is it? It'll help you with the Cascade, because remember, it has to be the lighter one. This was the one that's working for the 5 off of 30 gain. The other one is not attaching to that. It's only attaching to the 5 off 25. So just a heads up on that. I'm really excited to use these. I have some Finish, but I didn't get the Finish Quantum or anything like that. I accidentally bought the wrong one, just like the regular Finish. Does not work very well with my dishwasher, so I'm really excited about trying that. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. If you guys did any more amazing deals or some great scenarios you put together for today, let us know in the comments. There is a printable breakdown listed, of course, in the description box of the deals that I wanted to do and how they would have panned out if the products were available in store. So you guys can still replicate that deal today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.